Hi and welcome to Verdine's. My name is Kevin, and in this series we're going to be going over basic watch functions. Today we'll be discussing how to use your chronograph. To get started with your chronograph, it's important to learn how to read the time. On this Omega Speedmaster, you can see that the large hand is not running. Your running seconds are shown here on the left, and your large hand is the chronograph. The minutes and hours are counted in the other two smaller dials. To start your chronograph, you'll push the pusher on the top. Once your chronograph is started, you'll press the pusher again to stop. By pushing the bottom, you will reset the watch. On most watches, make sure to not press the reset while the chronograph is running, as this may damage the movement. Some watches, like this A. Langensohn perpetual datograph, have what's called a flyback chronograph. With this, when the chronograph is started, you can press the reset button to fly the second hand back to 0. This can be used for quick resets when counting races. Thank you for watching our video on how to use a chronograph. If you have questions about your chronograph, don't hesitate to reach me in the email below. I'll be glad to assist.